perfect deal for you guys. You look like more like a Prius, right? No? Okay, you know what? You look more like a Lincoln Navigator, right? Yeah, I see what you got. Yeah, man, I know you type of guys, right? Yeah? No? Alright, cool. But anyways, I got the cheapest price here, okay? So, I'm gonna give you guys the best deals ever, okay? So, come this way, okay? Okay, man, I got a brand new car for you, okay? You're gonna love this shit. You can navigate. How about that? You like it? It says GMC though. Huh, look at that. Anyways, how about this one? Okay, man. How about this? A brand new Chevy Camaro. You like it? Nice red and everything. Tinted windows. What?
It's a Malibu.
Well, look at that. Anyways, you're SOL. Next one. So I see you like this car. That's nice.
Where'd he go?
So I see you like this car.
Oh, fuck.
You okay, man?
What's up with you?
Hey, I'm just saying, man. Hey, I can see you liking this car, man. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful Toyota Tundra.
This is not a Tundra.
There it is. Brand new Tundra. All black and everything. Yeah, it's very nice.
Tundras don't make SUVs. This is a 4Runner.
Well, anyways, that's besides the point. It looks like you like this car, though, right?
That's alright.
Yeah. So, got the brand new rims and everything. Looks very nice. Actually, they're made out of cardboard, but yeah, you get the point, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, any questions or comments?
How long have you worked here?
That was my first day.
It's your first day?
Yep. Oh, come on, man. Hey, I got another car to show you. Come on. So, this one. You know, I mean, I just said, shit, this is the car. Alright, how about this car, man? It's a brand new car, you know. We got this barely yesterday, actually. You know, it's very clean. You know, really good on gas. Well, not really, kind of sucks. But, yeah. Same Lord deal, actually.
Dude. This shit's taken already.
I don't know how you say. I thought that's a little ornament right there.
Dude, that's a Puss in Boots.
Interesting. Oh,
This car's taken.
never knew that.
Might as well have sold me this grill right here.
You know, that's on sale too, you know. Where you going? Okay, how about this one? I know we started off with 1 foot, so why don't I sell you this brand new Chevy Camaro? Brand new, you know. I think you might enjoy that one.
You said Chevy Camaro?
Yes, exactly.
The Chevy Present. Approximately at least like 2001.
Well, that's besides the point. Actually, it's really good on gas. It's actually about 12 miles per gallon. So, you know, it's really good and very reliable. It's actually still needs to fix the front bumper.
Dude. I've been walking around, there's nothing I like in this freaking lot, man.
I know. I know you're looking for a car.
I'm not even looking for a car, I'm looking for a motorcycle.
This is bullshit. Every fucking car today, you've been off cue. You can tell me this is a fucking Camaro, it's a Prism. You tell me that was the Lincoln Navigator, it's a GMC Yukon. You tell me like that shit is a fucking new hybrid, or that's a Corolla, wherever the fuck that shit is.
I don't want 4 wheels, I want 2.
Well, you know, if you take out the 2 wheels, you know.
I want a decent fucking car.
Excuse me. What are you guys doing? My apartment next to my car.
Mondays. Bitch.
Okay, guys. I know we start off with the wrong foot. You know what? How about this? I gotta give you guys a coupon for the 99cent store for 50% off. You know? How about that?
Hey man, I got your coupon.
Yeah, I
right.
got something for your motherfucking ass.
You know what? I'll get back to you guys.